In this video, guys, I became a cop inside Animal Company. Anyways, let me go kill the that commit crimes.
Sword battle? Okay, bro.
What are you doing? Oh,
Cleaver.
oh,
Yeah, bro, sword battle. Nah, bro, he's actually putting light up there.
Hey,
wow.
hey, Black, are you attempting murder? Black, are you attempting murder? Black, attempted murder. Hey.
You so stupid.
Black, attempted murder. Hey, murder of the innocent.
No, wait. I'm innocent. He tried to kill me.
Don't care.
That's freaking
Red
I'm not dead.
Murder. Attempted murder.
I'm dead.
Oh, I almost got him.
Attempted murder.
Come on, run.
Hey, are you trying to kill me?
Leave me alone. I'm trying to go kill him. He's a murderer.
Hey, and you're attempted murder.
He's trying to kill me. But he was trying to kill the other guy.
But you attempted murder. No, but look at me real quick here. I'm not gonna hit you. I'm out of bullets. Hey. Here, let me ask you a question.
Don't kill. I'm gonna do
Black, let me ask you a question real quick. Black, Black. Do you?
Yeah?
What do you feel? What does it feel like?
Hey, give me
committing
off
attempted
your
murder?
piano,
Death. Got him. Murder of the innocent. Hey, fever equals death. Attempted murder.
You have a red watch.
Well, he committed crime. He stole.
That was mine.
What'd I do?
Waste your ammo eventually.
Why are you hitting me, bro? I'm the one. I'm trying to kill this kid. You
No,
missed.
I didn't.
You can't get me.
Yes, I can.
Hey, Green.
I'm actually dead.
Green.
How much you want to bet?
Green.
That still killed me.
Hey, chill. Okay? Just one more second. No, wait. Where's he, guys?
Okay.
You're out.
Death.
Green, I'm reporting you, dude.
Can you show me the...
Attempted murder. Why are you not dead?
Okay, wait, can I trade something?
Kill him.
Huh.
Hey, wait, Green.
Hi there.
Can you give me a...
Suck.
Go kill him. I'm gonna go kill him. I got you. Survive that.
Attempted murder.
My collection.
Let me go get him. Yeah, Blue, we're all gonna
Hey.
report you, dude. We're all gonna
Attempted
report
murder.
Not come here.
For what?
What you running for?
Attempted murder.
you. Yo,
Attempted murder.
Buddy, you're the one killing people. Why are you like attempted murder?
Yeah, get out of here, kid. You suck.
Murder of the innocent.
Sit down.
What the heck? Yeah, I can tell, bro. Not awesome sauce.
I'm just a police officer.
Yeah,
bro.
we're all reporting you, Blue.
I'm just a police officer, bro. Hey, illegally owned a gun. Are you illegally owning a gun, Black?
Oh my
God.
I'm gonna kill this.
Oh shoot! Oh, top hat. I accidentally killed a kid. No, I accidentally killed someone.
Ah!
How did he? He managed to kill me. Oh, murder of the innocent. Attempted murder.
Can you give me one? Hey, you know that blue panda?
Attempted murder. Okay.
Combat station.
He murdered someone. Hey, it's thievery.
No.
Let's just say extra health.
Hey, are you trying to kill people? Are you trying to kill people? Are you trying to kill
I'm
people?
here. Where are you?
No.
Oh man, you're invincible. Just kidding.
Where are you?
Ah!
I like combat.
Hey, Black, did you steal that? Are you stealing? He stole, so I had to kill him. Hey, you stay still before I blow your brains out. Stay still before I kill you.
Wait, I want the football.
No, stay still before I kill you. Stay still or else I kill you. Did you steal anything?
Yo, bro. Police.
Yeah.
The reason I have Red Watch is I'm trying to get them.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Yeah, I'm on your side.
Oh, you can lift
Okay,
that.
I just-
I'm gonna be the guy that's doing.
Why am I
you
red
can
watch? I
steal
don't-
their
I
stuff.
didn't kill anyone.
Let's go.
That guy stole, so I was
Yeah.
trying to kill him because he stole.
Oh,
Did you steal?
no.
Hey, you. I should kill.
Whoa!
Kill him.
Kill
He's
Panda.
enemy.
Get him. I'm a polar bear.
Get your shotgun. Go!
I'm trying to save you.
I think you just killed him.
Come reload your shotgun. What the?
I'm always dead. Help me, I'm dying.
Come reload it. Tell this guy to chill out.
I got it. I don't got it.
It's a new cop. Come here. Gotta work on this shit.
Bro, I'm a cop. Dude, chill out. I'm a cop. Finally, this kid died. Hey,
Hey, he committed murder.
he committed. He tried to kill me, so I had to.
And it's not
I
loaded.
can't go.
Big hero.
How did he
I
die?
didn't even touch him. I touched him and he died. He's weak. I'm talking to
What is going on?
I'm back, cops.
Yes.
Yes.
I'm not talking to you. I'll take it. No, it's not worth it.
Get me out of here.
Hey, night.
Nighty night. Hey you.
Night.
Well, how is he still? How is he still? Oh my god, I'm getting killed. I'm getting killed.
Oh, you're back. Yeah, I'm back. Come on, bring it.
Come here.
I have another gun.
Why is he not dead? I thought I killed him.
Committed murder. He's committed murder. He killed me. Oh, yeah.
How are you not dead yet?
Shoot.
Chill out, bro. Chill out.
Guys, I'll buy y'all a zip line. I'll give y'all a zip line. I want it. Can I have it? I said I'm not giving you nothing. I need it. Please.
Nothing.
I really do need it. Free grappler. Free weapon. Oh my god, I need it.
Come on, officer. We gotta go.
Officer, we gotta go. Yo, can I go? Can I be an officer?
Yeah. Just don't kill any. Just don't kill this
I need
guy.
a revolver ammo. I just need a revolver ammo.
Okay.
I don't. Officer, there's. Thanks. Well, what do I call you? How? I call you officer. What officer do I call you? Yeah.
Die.
Yeah.
You should be dead by now.
Oh god. What the? I'm gonna get this.
I think he's invincible.
It's not letting me grab it.
He's using invincibility mods.
Yo.
He has invincibility mods. He has invincibility mods.
Are you my officer? Are you my officer?
Yes, I'm the leader of this.
Alright, well.
Run!
Owner. No. Oh, God! Yep, I need that.
My gun.
I got black. Where's my gun? I just need white. Marble. Yellow. Oh! No! Dang it! I missed.
Oh, you're
I'm
in
your
costume.
officer.
I know.
Who committed? You left. No! Back
Oh,
up.
you didn't. Wait, what the frick?
I'm begging.
Okay. Oh. Okay. He has invincibility. He has to have invincibility mods.
We got in. I can't fall into that lake. I'm gonna go kill him.
Hey.
Get out of here. All right. Hey, don't kill me. Why are you trying to kill me? Oh. I didn't know he was on our team. Officer.
Come, officers!
Oh, my bad. Help. Get the phone. Who's not on our team? I'm on your team. I got it.
I'm an officer, bro.
I'm an officer. 1,000. 2,000. Back up. I'll have a great idea. Listen, man, I can make some money. Yo, he got something. Hey, he's committing murder. Yeah. He's committing murder. Yeah. He's committing murder. He tried to commit murder, so I had to. Give me the crossbow. I have ammo. I don't care. Give me it. Who's got a spare revolver they'd like to give me?
There's he's coming red. He's coming team.
Would you like some loot? I'm very friendly.
Okay, yeah, sure. I like some loot.
Here's some loot.
Oh, so many things. Oh shit.
I'm dumping out. What's inside?
Open it.
Slow.
Open it up.
Open it.
Grenades! It's grenades!
No, it's not. Dump it out. Dump it out.
Open it, bro. Oh my god. She's so weird.
I just respawned. I'm getting
Look, bro, it's
grenades.
empty grenades. It's. See, look, I told you. Loot for the family, bro.
Oh, thank you. I'm getting swords this time, okay? Officer. Officer, I'm gonna use these this time, okay? I'm gonna use these.
Yes. No. Oh shit. He died.
Probably on mine. Hey, Fevery. He stole us. He stole.
He's sold. Jesus, I love you. You shot him.
JR is easy for good money.
I'm your officer. I'm your officer. Why did you see me? He's evil. I'm your officer. Why you keep killing me?
I didn't kill
No, I'm not the one who keeps fighting.
I'm the leader of this, so I want you guys to not kill
What
him.
happened this time?
Ah!
Bro, I stole it. Someone took my grappler. Not me. Yo, stop killing me, Black.
Let me get this.
Ooh, shotgun. Nah.
Let me get this.
That was on the
Here, take the crossbow. I don't want it. Hey.
Oh my God, what the heck?
Yo,
I'm the leader of this, bro. I'm the leader of the clocks.
I have nothing.
Red's here, bro.
I'm gonna hit the road again.
I gotta get it back.
I played these games before. Don't mess with me.
I found a missing backpack. Stupid. Yo.
Yeah, we got guns now.
Bro, you shut up.
Tunnel slow.
Whoa, what did I do?
Got him. Hey, attempted murder, Oh, shoot. Oh,
Bro, not get
oh. Dang.
I got you. Back up. Back up. No, I'm your part of your team.
Hey, don't kill this kid. Don't kill him. Don't kill him.
Give me back my. Oh, I didn't mean to. I didn't mean to.
Red's back.
I found your grappler. Get out of here. Get out of here.
Get out of here.
You found my grappler. I'll get out of here. Come here. Come here.
At least I touched
Ow.
I touched grass. Not you, Blue.
Red watch. You got red watch.
So much
I'm not sure about him. Wait, Beast Wolf Batman, you wanna team up on that? You wanna team up on that? Hey, do you have shotgun ammo unlocked?
Yeah, I do.
Oh, sorry. Can you get me some? I got a
Ah.
Woo! He's dead. No, can you give me shotgun ammo? I didn't know who died, buddy.
Shotgun ammo. Here.
Here, that's a nice gonna be. Oh, you can live over there. I gotta feel it.
Get this kid.
Oh,
Oh.
there's a
Wait.
grappler right there. I already have one. Watch out!
Ah.
That's my only choice.
Get rid of the grappler. Can you make sure you just get the grappler back?
Got it.
I'm gonna get this revolver.
He's
And I'm
not
gonna
getting that grappler
I'm
back.
gonna get this. Oh, it's gonna cost so much money, bro. It's gonna cost so much money. So much money. It's gonna cost so much money.
Grappler back, bro.
Thank you.
Hi there.
Thank you for helping me.
Get your sword.
Bro, it's gonna cost so much money.
Let's go. Bro, Black, give me that grappler back. Oh my god, bro.
Hey. That spider attempted murder. He attempted murder. Alright, guys, if you enjoyed that video, make sure to like and subscribe to see more videos of me doing crazy
Where are you,
wacky
Polar?
stuff like I'm doing
Polar
right
Bear,
now.
where are you?
Anyways,
Polar Bear.
see you later.